family, welcome back to another video with your favorite horse aunt, her, after a long weekend. I hope you guys had a great weekend. It was a long weekend, well, for most people. My throat is still really scratchy, and it just gets worse the more I talk. Anyway, listen, Auntie, where you going all dressed up? I just got done filming a TikTok, okay? TikTok video for this, but I'm gonna show it to you in this video, okay? I'm gonna show it to you. Ah. She is beautiful, okay? I will just say it's from Perfect Kicks. The link, though, the actual link information will be on my TikTok about this bag. But she is so cute. The quality on this sucker, oh my goodness. She is definitely welcomed in the collection. Definitely welcome. Okay? Check the TikTok. Or follow me on Facebook. I always post them over there too. These shades right here. I know you probably can't see. I know you ain't gonna be able to see it, but on the very most rim there, it'll be on TikTok. I got on lashes today too. If Auntie look like, you know, she been in the forest, it's because she has. But these is so, this is 1970, Sharon. What? They giving. They is giving me everything I need. Okay. And then this. If you're into this kind of stuff. Okay. It'll all be over on TikTok. Perfect Kicks. But go over there if you want the deets. Or a code if they offer one. Anyway, listen. Hope you guys enjoyed the weekend. Like I said, I think the last video I put up was the beach vlog. Us at the beach with Ron's co-workers and friends. We had a great time. A much needed staycation. Now we're on the countdown to our cruise, which I think today is either the 5th or 6th. And we leave on the 17th. So how many days is that? 11 days. 11 days. And we will be on a cruise ship. I'm so excited. Okay. I am. My vertigo is, I don't know, I guess fine. I didn't take any Dramamine my entire staycation. None. I haven't been crazy. I haven't had any panic attacks. I haven't had any anxiety. Nothing. Okay. So hopefully I'm over that. Whatever. Okay. Anyway, we have 11 days and counting. Now, with that being said, I am holding on to summer with everything in my Moo collection. Okay, I am holding on. Ooh. But I'm going to bring you the fall content. I just have to wait until at least to cruise. At least to after the cruise. Then that'll be like end of summer. I can prepare mentally for it, and then we can proceed with all the warm, cozy stuff. I think I'll be fine this year. I don't think. In fact, I'm not going to have a hard time with fall coming in this year. I will not have a hard time with fall coming in this year. Can you see my tan? Take note of this tan, please. Take note of all this chocolate caramel Indian goodness in front of you. She's dark. She gets dark. I will probably be 2 or 3 shades even darker than this when I come back from the Bahamas. I know I will be. Maybe even 4. And then as soon as the first little bit of cold weather, I'll start lightening back up. Getting back lighter. Getting back lighter. If this could be my all the time color, girl, you wouldn't. Auntie would be a whole mess. She'd be a mess, okay? What was I saying? What was I saying? I don't even remember what I literally just said. Anyway, so after my cruise, I can start getting you guys prepared for fall days with me and all the warm coziness, and we're gonna just make fall so welcome, and so we're gonna embrace it. I'm preparing us. I'm preparing you along with me. Okay. I have a lot of things planned, a lot of cutesy videos, and believe it or not, I think I mentioned this in one of my other videos. I normally do not really care about like the Halloween season as far as decorating for it, but this year I want to do some spooky ooky. Yeah, I do. I want to do some spooky, cute Halloween. I want to get into the whole vibe of the Halloween, scary movies, just all of it. I want all of it. All the Halloween spooky drinks, the movie lineups, movie nights, just all of it. So I think I do want to do some little areas for Halloween. I already know I'm not doing like a ton of decor for even fall or Christmas. I'm not, okay? I'm keeping it very simple. Very, very simple. And you will see. It's more about not even the decor for me. It's just the moment of it all. The hot chocolate and the crisp cold mornings and the soup days and nights and the ciders and the eggnogs and just all of that. Yeah. Anyway, y'all, I'm not going to hold you in no long drawn out video. If you're interested in this beauty right here, follow me on TikTok. It won't be on Instagram. I'll share my TikTok on Facebook. Okay. And yeah, I love you guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.